Hello class, my name is Kathleen Boozy and this is my final project for CIS3367 by Dr. Adrian Wheeler. I created my own Haitian party place. We made 4 different type of patties: beef, chicken, catfish, and smoked herring. This is I named it after my mother because she is the one who gave me the idea of making Asian patties because she make them so good. But to be honest, her favorite one is the catfish, while the my favorite one is the chicken one. Um, but after some research, I find out that the average price of dozen of the patty for the beef is $28, and it is $26 for the chicken cod and smoked herring respectively. And but what I find odd was the fact that chicken is the cheapest one, but the its price is the same as catfish and smoked herring, while beef is the, I would say, the average between all three prices. It was more this party is more expensive than the other party. So what I did was I used solver to see if I wanted to make a profit of 1,500, how many a dozen of parties I needed it to have a profit of 1,500. um so if you don't have solver already pre-installed on your computer, is an easy fix. You go to file, you click on more and then option, and then you click add in, and then you click solver. Since I already have solver on my computer, I'm not gonna reinstall it. I'm gonna press cancel. So what I did was, after I had installed solver on my computer, I went into data and click solver and type my I wanted my objective was C15. I wanted it to be valued at 1,500. So, and I had already pre-added my all of my integer. So I had added my constraint to be all integer because I cannot still have a party. So I now wanted all of my quantity to be over 10,000 of party. So, and I need to do GR non-linear as well. So let's run that solve. It seems to be taking a few seconds for it to run on its own. Okay, software found integer with all software found an answer for it. So okay, close. So I will have to make a 22 of the beef, 10 of the chicken, 10 of the catfish, and 13 of the 11 of the catfish and 13 of the smoked herring. The second part of the second thing that I did the with software, I wanted to know if I had a request of 150 boxes of 150 dozen of 50 dozen of patty, how much revenue, how much profit I'm gonna make after I spend the when it cost me $20 to make a beef one, to 18 to make a chicken, 22 to make catfish, and 23 to make smoked herring. Okay, let's see. I go back to solver, data, solver. So since I already created all of my data, which is if I wanted everything to be integer, then I wanted to have more than 25. And because I wanted to have more than 25 of the beef, I wanted the greater or 30 bags worth of chicken, 30 or greater or equal to 30 bags of catfish, and 20 greater or equal to 20 bags of smoked herring. So let's run that. So I got 25 boxes of and with the fact, if I spend 20 to make the beef, I'm gonna only make $200 worth of profit on the patty. If I make the chicken, I'm gonna only make $240 worth of profit, and 120. If I spend $18 to make the chicken, I'm gonna make $240 of profit. So apparently the chicken is the more profitable one, and the smoked herring is the less profitable one out of all of the patty. So I want to know if close. I kind of want to know if I still want to have the 100 and the 1500 revenue profit equal 1500. How many cases of patty I will have to make in order to still get that profit of 1500? So let's try that one. Data solver. $1500. Okay, so I'm keeping same all of the same constraint. Let's see, let's try to run that. Okay, so in order for me to still make a profit of 1500, I will have to make 71 boxes of beef, 75 boxes of chicken, and 53 boxes of catfish, and 40 bags of smoked herring. I hope you guys enjoy mm, my little solver experiment. Happy holiday to everyone. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Thanks.